Today, I'm going to teach you how to play music on Microsoft Teams. This is particularly useful if you want to share audio during presentations, play background music for virtual events, or simply enhance your meeting experience with sound. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, let's assume you're already inside a meeting. Look at the top of your screen where you'll find various meeting controls. Among these options, you'll see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on it. This is the feature that allows you to share content with other meeting participants, whether it's your screen, a specific window, or in this case, audio content. Once you've clicked Share, you'll notice several sharing options appear. This is where the key step comes in. Look for the option that says Include Sound and make sure to toggle it on. This toggle is crucial because it enables your audio to be transmitted to other participants. Without turning this on, they won't be able to hear the music you're about to play. The Include Sound feature ensures that whatever audio is playing on your device will be shared through the meeting. Now, in my case, I'll be using Screen as my sharing option. When you select this, you're choosing to share your entire screen with the meeting participants. This is the most straightforward method because it allows you to use any media player on your computer to play the music. You could use Windows Media Player, VLC, Spotify, or any other application you prefer. Next, I'm using Media Player to play my music. Open your chosen media player and navigate to the track or playlist you want to share. Make sure the player is visible on your screen if you want participants to see what's playing, though this isn't strictly necessary since the audio will stream regardless. Finally, go ahead and play your music. Click the play button in your media player and the audio will now be transmitted to all meeting participants. They'll be able to hear it clearly through their speakers or headphones. You can control the volume, pause, or skip tracks as needed, and all participants will hear these changes in real time. And that's it. You've successfully set up music playback in Microsoft Teams by enabling sound sharing and using your preferred media player. This simple process opens up possibilities for more engaging meetings and presentations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.